Hi, hope you all are fine. I will show you how to do screen recording in iPhone 14 by 30 seconds. Go to your setting of your iPhone 14. Please select Control Center. Please press screen recording symbol or icon in More Control. It will now be added in control bar. Now screen recording symbol is added in your control bar. While recording screen, just press this symbol. Recording will start after 1, 2, 3 counts. Red symbol with time will be seen on the screen at the top. Press screen recording symbol to stop it. Please subscribe my channel for more update and share with your friends. Thank you.